The famous Indian car manufacturer Tata Motors is bringing the new facelifted version of Tata Tigor Electric, which is more powerful, attractive and packed with features. Tata is bringing this new facelifted electric sedan with Jeepton technology, which will provide superior drive quality. Tata has announced to launch this sedan in the Indian market on 31st August 2021 at the expected price between Rs 9.50 to 10 lakhs ex-showroom. The sedan will be available in three variants: XM, XZ Plus and XZ Plus Dual Tone. The bookings of the new Tigor EV facelift has already been started. Talking about the power, the new facelifted Tigor EV will come with 72V AC induction type electric motor along with CCS2 fast charging 26kW lithium ion battery pack that can generate 74 bhp of power and 170 Nm of peak torque. The battery will normally take near about 8.5 hours to charge from 0 to 80%. The fast charging option will be able to charge the car from 0 to 80% in just 1 hour. The car can be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 km per hour in just 5.7 seconds. The Jeepton technology will provide 312 km of range. In terms of exterior design, the new model gets a classic aerodynamic design and a number of features. Upfront it gets sleek LED projected headlights, LED rear rails, thicker strip instead of front grille with Tata badging at the center and EV logo, blue inserts in many places, deeply raked windshield, updated front bumper with bumper mounted chrome accented LED fog lights housing. The side profile gets power wall beams with integrated turn indicators, chrome accented door handles, charging point, tinted glass, large wheel X and new set of crystal cut dual tone alloy wheels. The rear profile receives sleek LED tail lights, a blue highlighted strip that connects the two tail lights, Tata badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, emergency braking light, horizontally placed rear fog lights and updated chrome inserted rear bumper with black cladding. The interior of the car has been updated with a number of premium features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash mounted blue inserted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, smart digital instrument cluster with multi-information TFT display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, Harman Kardon premium sound system with 4 speakers and 4 tweeters, IRA connected car suite with over 30 connected car functions, remote trunk opener, auto climate control, push button start and stop, 12V charging points, remote keyless entry, wheel cushioning blue highlighted seats for comfortable ride with 60/40 split rear seats, adjustable driver seat and 375-liter bigger boot space. The sedan is expected to get a number of standard safety features which includes ABS with EBD, driver and passenger seatbelt reminder, dual front airbags, door hazard warning, day and night rear view mirror, cornering stability control, hill ascent and hill descent control, speed sensing auto door lock and rear parking camera with rear parking sensors. Thank you.